Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to see how we can transfer data between the two columns. Okay, so as you can see in my left side I have some data, and right hand side I have some data. So I can move data from this column to this column. Okay, and likewise I can move from this column to this column. Okay, and we can also search the column. Okay, so likewise I can do the search here as well. Okay, so this is the component uh, called transfer component. Okay, so this component we are going to build in a React. Okay, with the help of and design. Okay, package. Okay, so let's jump into the VS Code. Okay, so I have created a file. Okay, a project, basic React project using npx create react app, and I have removed all the uh, part from this in the return statement. Okay, so you can see I have removed everything from this div. Okay, and just paste I mean just I have put a um, heading that is transfer data between two column. And to start building this component we have to install the package that is called ant design. Okay, so you have to install this package. Once the package is installed, you have to basically import the ant design css file. Okay, so after doing this, let's come over here, and from react we have to bring use state and use effect, and we have to initialize some state const mock data, because these are the mock data actually, the data which I showed you in the left and right column. So those data are the mock data, and we have to create the data. Const target keys set target keys use state. And okay, so we have to create a use effect. So inside use effect we will be calling mock data. Okay, so use effect will basically generate the mock data on the first render. Okay, so get mock, so we'll create this function right now. Const get mock. Okay, const target keys const mock data. These are all the empty. Now I will run one loop. Key I dot to string title content I plus one description description of content that is will be I plus 1 and chosen math dot random. So this is our some basic data. Okay, if data dot chosen, and then target key dot push data dot key mock data dot push. Okay, now set mock data mock data set target key. Okay, so now on every render, I mean not every render, on the first render it will generate some mock data. Okay, so let's create the transfer component. So we need to bring the transfer component from and design. So transfer, come down here. So data source will be our mock data. So search. So it will show the, it will be basically you can search the data in each column. So just style. So we have to style the list 250, height 300, and you can give the operation. So the operation is right, left. So this props you have to pass onto this transfer component, and change handle change. Okay, so we have to write this function and render. So on render we have to write one function. So item dot title and item dot description. Now this handle change we have to write. Handle change. So handle change will receive a target keys, and we have to set the target key. Okay, this is the logic. Okay, and we have to adjust some styling. So I have written the some styling to basically show that component in the center. So you have to add this styling in your app.css file dot and hyphen transfer. So to just put the component in the center. Okay, so after doing this, let's go to the browser, and we have facing some issue. So item is not defined. Okay, come to yes. Okay, so item, basically we need to add the item here. That's it. Now you can see our transfer component is built. Okay, so you can move to right, you can move to left, so you can see this is also getting changes. So so this is sometime useful. Okay, um, when you have some kind of logic to implement this in your project, so you can do this with the help of this and design transfer component. So I hope you you enjoy this video, and if you like this video, then please subscribe this channel. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.